I mean, I ain't got no intro, so this Mo Legends, it's Mo Legends. Yeah. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe too, yeah. All right, today we making homemade apple, grape, cucumber juice. So we juicing from the crib. I just wanted to get something right before the beach. So this was a raw vlog. I ain't get to clean up, straighten up or nothing, so don't judge, but I don't give a. You just stepped in the Mo Legends world. It's your boy Mo Legends, and welcome to the Legacy. So look, we about to get in today is, look, I'm doing a little vlog. I'm about to go ahead and juice. I ain't about to do too much because I gotta hit the beach. You know what I'm saying, to get some footage. So I was gonna do a big juice, but now we about to have apple, seeded grape. If your shit is seedless, that means it's Huff. And Huff is Reggie. And I'm about to put some cucumbers in there and them hydrators right there. So, apple a day, keep a doctor away, all that bullshit. Seeded grapes, cancer killer, and an alkaline hydrator. So, look, I think that's like 90% water. So, I'm about to go ahead and juice this. Let's go ahead and drop these apples in there. Let me take these stems out, pop them out. Booga. Pop that out. Damn, bitch. Oh, they're like a grenade. Hey, I like that shit, I ain't gonna lie. Like putting panties out with your teeth. Damn, I bet that's on. Damn, man, keep trying, I just keep bit by bit. All right, I forgot to get my damn, oh, here you go. Got a brush, make sure you brush and clean out this juicer. You gotta clean your juicer. That's the only way you're gonna get the maximize production out your juicer. The hell is this? Redo. Hey, if y'all want this juicer, go to my Amazon storefront. Link in the description. Boom, that's how you do it. Now we put that joint in there. Ah, look at that. All right, now you drop them bitches in there. That's too much. I don't want to do too much to you. Now we gonna put the pot right there. Damn, Mo, get your life together, nigga. Click. Damn, bitch. Click. Hey, what the fuck? All right, y'all, it's my dumb ass fault. So you gotta click that first before you click this, because this was started. That was my fault. So now, let's get it for real. Boom. Nigga, shout out where it's happening. I see you in that good old juice, little apples. Hey, come here. I see you about to have the tea brewing. I don't drink coffee. You about to get this tea going. Gotta get that holy thistle. Gotta get that blue vervain. And we're gonna get that Damiana for the mind. Blue vervain. Y'all see the health benefits. Damn, you loud as shit. You see the health benefits. And I use it. And I love this right here. And fun fact, you can smoke this. I ain't telling you to smoke nothing. Hey, get this. Got the big strain of big well. This is. Hey baby, you loud as shit when you doing your job. Let's get that holy thistle on. That's how you know it's real. Fucking big dandelion in there. Hey, watch out for this holy thistle though. It'll poke you. That's on in there. That's on the poke you. Man, damn, keep sticking me. I'm done. I don't need too much anyway, just for a little tea kettle pot. Hey, get you a man that take care of you, and I heal you. Alright, we gonna get this in there. Let's stop that real quick. Alright, we're gonna juice that in a second. We're gonna get that money shot. Go ahead and sprinkle this Damiana. Shout out to my niece. I got a niece named Damiana. Go ahead and sprinkle that. This is the dope you actually want in your life. This is that real dope from God's green earth. Not earth. It's a difference. Welcome to Mo Legends world, man. That's what we doing. I might take y'all to the beach with me, but we just here getting some holistic in. Matter of fact, comment beach if you want. I ain't taking y'all to the beach this time. Comment beach if y'all want that beach vlog. Damn, baby. Big Zob, baby. Calm down. I know you excited. Don't go too crazy on me. There you go. I see that ball. Come here. Right here. I see how it's cooking in there. You're gonna let that sit, you're gonna let that strain. It's supposed to be for 20 minutes, but I don't know, I like getting all that good up out of that, all the health benefits. So we're gonna put it on 25. Boom, cut the timer on. All right, let's go ahead and get back to juice. Right here. Before we get to the good, y'all see that? So I'll be freezing these because I don't know what to do with them yet, but it's good for like fertilizer, all types of shit. You can do a lot of different stuff with that. But let's get this money shot right here. 100% pure apple juice. 100% pure apple juice. Like that, that's satisfying, I ain't gonna lie. Let's go ahead and drop another apple in there. Let's go ahead and drop these grapes in here. Boom. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe too, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey look, I ain't gonna lie. Eating healthy changed my life. It got me wealthy. I'm talking about real wealth, like real life got me rich. I got 400,000 on Instagram right now. I moved to Florida, saying I was here to change my life. I came here with 3K, and now we have 400. Keep this state. Whatever you're doing, just keep going. I know it get annoying. I know it get boring. I know it get hard, tough. You spending your time. You might not be getting all the results that you want, or you're not getting to where you want to get to as quick as you thought. But I'm telling you, just keep going. It's gonna be worth it. You're gonna be smiling, and you're gonna be crying tears of joy soon. You hear me? Your next tears, it's gonna be tears of joy. You're gonna speak that into existence for you, myself included. I'm going number one on. I'm trending number one on YouTube this year. Trending number one on YouTube, 2024. I don't know how, but trending number one on YouTube. Yeah, we just picking all these grapes. I don't want them sticks and vines in there. But yeah, eating healthy, man. It got my brain right, my body right. I got all the energy. I'm a little bloated right now, but I don't be having no unnecessary fat. Oh yeah, 8 ways that eating healthy changed my life. Go ahead and watch that video too. It should be up by now. Let's turn this back on. About to go ahead and get some apple grape juice. Where you know they got apple grape juice at? Y'all see that 22 double deuce? Y'all believe the angel numbers? You can talk about angel numbers too. You call me angel numbers, you want to get on angel numbers. Look, I do a little bit of everything. I can do anything I put my mind to. I can talk about everything. Really, my spirit, my mind. I like the free hand, but it's like, damn, what do I do now? Like, you got this to muddle it, but I don't even need to. Doing it on his own. I love this junk. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, we gotta get the rest of these grapes in here. So we go ahead and turn that on. I love that pot. Pop that open. See what we doing. You can zoom in on that. So y'all see I gotta get all that up in there. Hey, men, turn that way. Men, turn that way. Ladies, love you. All right, now, we about to get one of the best hydrators in the world. About to get some cucumbers in here, then we straight for real. We'll wash it again. So drop that in there, boom. Don't need too much, man. It's a small juice. I ain't really tripping right now. Boom, let's pop that in. Lock that in. Boom.
Hey, in the juicer, you see that foam that's on top of the juice? All right, that's a result of me using the highest speed. And to avoid the foam, you're supposed to do it at a slower speed. So I guess I was rushing. But yeah, that foam is from that. I don't like it, but it's good to know as well.
Oh, you know what? Money shot. We gotta get this juice up out of here. 3, 2. That's apple grape juice right there. Who you know out here getting apple grape juice? 100%. Ain't no aspartame, aspartame. Ain't no sucralose. Ain't no refined sugar. Ain't no cane sugar. Ain't no shit you can't pronounce. It's pure, 100% organic. I'm talking about real organic. I ain't talking about that organic. And you still got can in your shit. I'm talking about real organic, 100% juice. And just the juice and nothing else. So let's go ahead and turn that back on. I can pop my shit real quick. It's crazy. Cucumbers like nature's dick. Y'all ever see the trees that be looking like meow? Like nature, like, that's why they say we are a reflection of nature. That's why we roll with nature. Y'all see that purple coming out of there? When you talking about that drink, that's 100% seeded grapes. Again, I don't do huff, I don't smoke huff. I don't smoke it all. But if I smoke, that should be loud, so I need my seed. I ain't doing no seedless watermelon, I don't do seeds. That shit huff. Somebody try to give you some seedless fruit, some seedless vegetables, tell them that shit huff. And smack it out their hand. You don't do her. You don't do that za. Big za? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This cucumbers, give me this like fresh smell that I like. So this juice is not even that much. So obviously everybody want the number two, $600, $700 juicer. It's good and everything, but everybody ain't trying to spend $1,000 on the juicer. So when you balling on a budget, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna have both, but yeah. This summer, crazy. I'm talking about the most money ever made. Every day. Every day I'm gonna break my own record how much money I made in a day. Look, getting bigger, getting more swollen. Gonna be crushing better. Like everything, you getting smarter. I ain't playing no games, and we starting right now. Hey, the New Year ain't start yet. New Year don't start till March 19th, 20th, first day of spring. So I'm getting ready for the New Year, and I already started my good habits. You hear me? Stop playing with me. And we don't see me retention. I ain't busting. I'm keeping that joint up in me. Every time I'm out. It's getting done. Hey, why I do that? That's the L for Mo. Why I do that? That's the L for Legends. So Mo Legends. You can do this too. Mo Legends. Mo Legends. Mo Legends. Keep that in there. Why I do that? You should hear that. Mo Legends. Mo Legends. You hear me? Mo Legends. And look, Mo Legends ain't just me. It's everybody that's on their grind. You know, the people that's legend in the make. These are every day they go towards their purpose, their dreams, their ambitions. That's what Mo Legends is. It's not just me. It's all of us. It's a community. We all get to it. All right. I'll handle the rest later. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this juice out. We about to go ahead and end this video for real. 111 too, y'all. I don't be playing. That means we align. Bro. They go to remnants. That's a lot. They go to remnants. Boom. This is apple, grape, cucumber juice. 3 ingredients, not 50. I might go ahead and pour up a little jar. Get you a nigga that can reach the top shelf. I'm about to get a jar set because these niggas don't even match. But yeah, let's go ahead and get that. Ooh, hey. Talk to me nice. Talk to me, baby. Hey, sharing is caring. I ain't a selfish motherfucker. Get yours too. Let's get it. Cheers. Man, stop fucking playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. I just died, came back to life. You hear me? Man, this shit's so good. You can barely taste the cucumber too. The cucumber just give it that fresh taste. The apple juice is just, you know what real apple juice tastes like. If you haven't, go get you some apples, get you a juice and a juice at the crib. Yeah. I could honestly put some more grape in there, but that grape just give it that flavor, that deep, rich flavor. So apple, grape, cucumber juice, I'm putting that in the ebook. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna perfect the recipe, but it's right here. I got all my vitamins and nutrients for the day. And good sugar. All in one. Just like that. I'm about to get my herbs in. Beat this inflammation, this mucus. So I just got my antioxidants for the day and vitamins. And I'm about to detox my body with these herbs right here. You can't beat that. And you telling me I can do this every day? This making me unstoppable. You bringing out the God within me. Hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment juice or beach if you want more content. And then comment this too if you made it this far into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Hey, peace, love, unity. Legends out. Y'all hear that beep beep? I gotta clean this, but you know, we keeping it real organic over here. And boom, we got our tea. Hey, I'm dropping this. Make sure y'all get this. It's a teacup strainer. You can actually strain just like how this do it. You can strain it in here. So that's gonna be in the store soon. Click link in bio. Our herbs is cooked. You're gonna go ahead and put some agave in this. I call it a gave, so put that gave in there. He Mr. Pump Faker. I'm Mr. Pot Scraper. Don't worry about my stove, I told y'all. As raw as it come. Ooh, see nothing what you want me to do. Kill the mo. I'ma make the news. There you go. Blue Vervain, Holy Thistle, Damiana T. On top of me just juicing. Ain't nobody with me, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. Take care of yourself, and love others as well. One. Hey, look, I'm exactly where you think I'm at. Nigga, right after I drink that juice, I ain't even take a sip of my tea yet. Let's see where we at. Hey, but you supposed to do this. It's a detox. Get them toxins about your body. You put in, you get nutrients, and you put it out. But if you eat processed bullshit, you're not even getting no nutrients. You're just making yourself sick. It's sitting in your stomach way longer, keep you sick, and then you shit it out, and you did all that for no reason. Now you're just not feeling good. Eat good, eat well, love.